How to create account on CTPool. Are you guys facing issue to create account on CTPool crypto mining app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To create account on CTPool crypto mining app, first of all, open the CTPool app on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download this app on your mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to download it. After you open up the app, look at the bottom of your screen where you can see this option for sign in with Google. Just simply tap on it. After you click on it, you will be able to see option related to your Google ID. Just simply tap on it and write down your registered email and password. After you write it down, you'll be able to log in or create account using your Google. That's it guys, that's how you're gonna create account on crypto mining. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you guys have any issues regarding crypto mining app, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.